Sanibonani mshini, hi, welcome to Jimmy Dishes Abenga funa ukuthi uliphuze ujahile kodwa ufuna ukuthi uliphuze uhleli phansi. Let's get into the video because the tea is hot. What had happened is that Chris Excel uye wakhipha i-hit list yabafazi abakhe bahlangana no Prince KB kanye no Edwin Zondi. And in that list there was Uthuli Phongolo. According to Chris Excel, Uthuli is part of Edwin and Prince KB's hit list. And as we know, le yaga Edwin Zondi, it has been going on for years. We've been convinced Uthuli Phongolo has been one of the slay queens ezazithandana no Edwin Zondi. So Uthuli was like, no ndikhathele but namhlanje ndivuke ndiphethe ndiziva njengomXhosa yeva. And makathi umXhosa wangikhumbuza umama kaDelani ngathi hey labantu abayithathi ikaka yeva. So she just felt like yazini, this thing has been going on, as you all have been pushing this narrative, and in as much as I keep quiet, people start to believe the narrative with Mina, I am loose, so I'm not gonna have it anymore. And she said this circus, that's where I draw the line, because it's okay mangabe khuluma u Chris Excel, but when you start entertaining it, akhuluma ngawani, akhuluma ngo Prince KB. But me, I respect my Nuna. That's what she said. But I can even stand on top of the mountain and spread my lungs and not be scared to say it. Yazini, I have never been with Prince KB. And she also mentioned the fact to if she had to count the men that she has been with in her life, it's less than one hand. They won't fill a hand or something like that. Shoot, maybe it's less than 5 or it's 5 anchors. And she also mentioned the fact that mina mangibona nomuntu, just know that we are dating. I angibi nomuntu just for fun, because I respect myself, I respect my dignity, I respect my integrity. That is what Uthuli P had to say. The thing that made Uthuli P Wutakwat is the fact that after that hit list was posted, Prince KB reposted and he said lol mother. And Prince KB was like, lol, mother mpya. When that hit list came out, Prince KB reposted and said, lol, mother what. And then with laughing emojis. And the fact that he was laughing, it made it seem like, oh, barely I've hit those ladies. Whereas unfortunately, when it comes to Uthuli P, there was never that type of thing happening. And with Uthuli P, it was just unfortunate because they even met at the gym. I've only met this guy at the gym this year, and it was a high and buy type of situation. And now when Prince KB wanna make it seem like there was something more to that, and Johnny, no, don't take me like that. Uthuli P said, if you're going to entertain it, rather play it with the truth, rather than laughing. This list is not accurate. Khona abantu kumele bangabi khona la, khona abantu abashoda the vibes you get. But the fact that when uyazithulela uthi lol igama lami libeli lapho ubuwazi kahle ukuthi nje there's nothing esihlanganisayo kanjani. And she made it clear with, I've never slept with you or Edwin Zondi. For that matter, that was Uthuli Phongolo's weight. So next time, because they got Prince KB, it was no. But that Edwin Zondi thing that has been carrying on for years, just know what Uthuli P utena no Edwin Zondi azanke bayenzele nto leni ninicabanga ngayo. There was no shilala happening between the two of them. So next time, nikelele ukumfaka umntwana abantu. And she also said the fact that ukuthi ngai-address le ndaba yaka Edwin Zondi is because I've been keeping quiet because I did not find it worth addressing. But now that you feel like you guys don't want to stop it and you keep, insinuating the fact that, oh, Uthuli Phongolo was with Edwin Zondi, and he was like, no ways, not on my watch. She was like, you know what, I'm going to address this once and forever. Because she also mentioned the fact that this type of narrative sticks with the person, because as we know what this narrative Uthuli Phongolo Edwin Zondi hit list has been there for ages. I think it started in 2024 if I'm not mistaken. So it has always been there, this narrative of it's okay, Uthuli Phongolo is part of the hit list Edwin Zondi. And she also mentioned that these men don't don't clear these rumors because it fits their ego yabo umuntu feel good wathi nisazodliwa ibhari because nitsho ukuthi badle uthuli P. So I'm wondering ukuthi is ibhari Prince KP or Edwin Sodi, I don't know which bigger showman who was she referring to. But also another thing, yes, I get that she has never been involved with the two of them. But before, when the hit list was about Edwin Sodi, she never felt the need to clear the rumors. But now because it's Prince KP, and as we know, Prince KP was once hot, but now it seems like he's hot and out. You get, he was one of those celebrities that were hot musically, physically, you know the vibes. But now that there's nothing happening with Prince KP, just people have forgotten about Prince KP. Maybe that's why she felt like, oh no, I don't want you to associate me with Prince KP because Prince KP is no longer part of the music industry. Maybe that's why Asazi. But Prince KP was like, I'm not gonna let this slide. Prince KP decided to, you know what, I'm gonna clap back and tell her where to get off. And Prince KP was like, which man has ever claimed her? And she's not talking about the fact, and he's not talking about the fact that he is not claiming her, but he's being sarcastic, you know. As we know, if you know DJ Mapolisa, there was never a point where he was claiming Pongolo, no, this is my lady, the vibes. We just saw clips and people started the rumor, and then the next thing there were allegation of abuse of the vibes, and that's when we knew it was okay. All this time these rumors were true because they never came out publicly and said we are dating. Hence why Prince KP was like, I mean, utlema wani. Since you've been in the industry, there's never been a man who has claimed Uthuli Pongola and said, oh, I'm dating Uthuli Pongola. By the way, none of them has ever done that. So why now you're trying to act sassy with me? Why you want to act like someone who is important with me? Kanjani, make it make sense. And he was like, and Prince KP was like, clear what rumor? There was never a rumor. And also you could have used that energy onayo namhlanje to fix those allegations that police are abusing you. I feel like that was a low blow from Prince KP. But I feel like regardless of whatever has happened, you can never go that low. You know, if you want to go that low, like, I mean, it says a lot about you as a person. Like, yes, I get that maybe he felt like, especially on the ways like Ibari, the vibes. So maybe he felt like, you know what, I'm not gonna let you talk about me like that because what? You feel like you can disrespect me and expect me to keep quiet because you are a woman. Never, not on my watch. He said, hold my cup, let me deal with this girl once and for all. And he went low. He stooped so low, according to my view. And he said, Askan try like heck, Askan try like heck, like, oh my god, Prince KP. Like Prince KP, one thing about him, he is the king of clapbacks. But the fact that he's involving Maporis, I mean Maporis ungena, you could have spoke about Tulu Pongolo without involving Maporis, but he felt like, you know what, I wanna involve him. And then Usihle the plaque said, sex champion wants to make it seem like he has been with Tuli Pongolo to spite Mapolisa because, as we know, they've had a beef for days and ages. Actually, Prince KP has a beef with a lot of people. And in my mind, I'm thinking, why would Prince KP want to still have a beef with DJ Mapolisa? Whereas DJ Mapolisa is up there and he's down there, like, I would never. I mean, once my enemies elevating, beef, your chicken, whatever. Because how am I beefing with someone who makes so much like DJ Mapolisa, someone who's not even in my league? That's beefing in my league way to guys.